Hey YouTube, today we're going to do what's in my toy box for Maya, and let's get started.
We got a giraffe.
Giraffe.
Have a long neck. We got Scar.
She calls him Scar.
It's a tiger. We got other tiger.
Another tiger. Another tiger.
And we got a big giant elephant.
An elephant?
Yeah. Have a truck. I got a truck. And this is a baby. I mean, this is a real elephant.
A little elephant?
And we got a whale. He's swimming under the sea.
Let's see.
Oh no,
It's a maraca.
And now maraca. And we got big Captain America.
A big Captain America. Wait, let's see. Okay.
We got
Another Captain America. He's detachable. You want to show how his arms come off? The red part.
Ice cream.
Eagle. Another Lego Duplo ice cream. Got a bull.
Batman.
And what do you have?
A rabbit.
Yep.
A dog. A cow eating.
A cow eating?
Yeah.
What is he eating?
Some grass. That's mouse tool.
Mouse for tool. And this is an etching sketch. Ninja Turtle. A car.
It's all green. Car.
Female lion.
Another ice cream.
Jake and the Neverland Pirates. It's a flashlight, and the buttons make a sound for each individual character, but the batteries ran out. A bazooka. Two types of SpongeBobs. One is a jungle SpongeBob, and the other one is the regular one. They're Lego pieces. Another SpongeBob. I think he was a keychain or a necklace or something.
Square Patrick.
Airplane from the movie Cars. Mr. Krabs. Another rhino. It's pretty heavy too, isn't it? Kion.
From the rain car.
Yeah. Another Ninja Turtle. He's pretty detailed too. She has a shark. Sandy's karate swinger thing, and some more Lego Duplo pieces. Captain America shell, an egg or omelet or something. Jellyfishes from the SpongeBob collection. Squidward's workout belt and a shield. On to the second box. Get your toys.
We got Bestie.
Bestie.
Yeah. Who's the cheer fastest?
Fully.
Bestie. Oh no, hang on. Have a back. Hobo Dragon.
From How to Train Your Dinosaur.
Yeah.
Mr. Potato Head. Mrs. Potato Head's hair. Mr. Potato Head's pants and shoes. Mrs. Potato Head.
Semi the lion.
Yeah, like that. And it launches.
Mr. Potato Head glasses. Shoes and pants.
A monster from Monster Inc. Yeah.
Got the other red dragon.
Yep.
So if he has a band, that's like him.
It's a cast on his leg. It's detachable. Octonaut, Peppa Pig, Sparky from My Sheriff Callie.
Peso from Other Nuts.
Miles from Tomorrowland. I think he's their pet. Littlest Pet Shop. Monster Inc. toy. Dr. McStuffins, I think it's a magnifying glass to see her boo-boos and germs, I think. Octonaut creature.
We got the now.
Baymax. Batgirl. No.
We got Chase on case.
Chase on the case. Does his backpack pop out?
Yeah.
Show them. Yeah.
Marshall.
His backpack is broken.
This have fallen me.
Another dragon. Rubble on the double. George, he goes with the swing set. Chocolate! Is it? Yeah, Octonaut. I think his name is Hasari. He goes with the Baymax. Ladybug.
From the Good Dinosaurs.
That.
Everest. That's the first.
Sophia Table. Simone and Pumbaa.
Yeah.
Lammy. Baymax cat.
Actually, have a necklace on.
Necklace too.
Yeah. That's a funny ugly dog.
Funny ugly dog.
Yeah.
Stage for the Littlest Pet Shop.
Sky. It was it. I was saying. Kind of from the new Vanguard.
She's from How to Train Your Dragon. She's also from How to Train Your Dragon. Sophia the First. Shopkin Toys. Shopkin's Basket.
Bobby, Puppy, Dog House.
Sheriff Callie. Another kit to Doc McStuffins. And his Band-Aid holder. My Little Pony. Little's Pet Shop. Monster Inc. toy. Miles from Tomorrowland. Mr. Potato Head piece. The funny lizard ugly dog. What is that, a whale?
No, it's a shark.
Hold it straight.
No, it's a shark.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a shark.
All blue. And
Miles from Tomorrowland. Minion. Wind up Minion. He runs.
it's a bit from Dino Trucks. The kilo toy from Dino Trucks. Near Everest.
We have Mrs. Hoopster. Hallie. The microphone from Doc McStuffins. Octonaut piece. Amber. Sophia the First. Little Cow from Doc McStuffins. Sophia the First. Octonaut. Some chairs and stuff that goes to Sophia the First. Miles from Tomorrowland. Shield theme.
We got Bush from the Good Dinosaurs. The coconut bit Bush.
Who's that?
Nancy from the Good Dinosaurs.
Okay.
A jump in here.
Yep.
We got the Good Dinosaurs.
Forrest from the Good Dinosaur. Pterodactyl. What is that? Thunderclap.
Yeah. My Megasaurus. How to train my dragons. T-Rex Cross.
Toothless from How to Train Your Dragons.
Ankylosaurus. Tyrannosaurus Rex.
A Tyrannosaurus Rex.
No, T-Rex.
Another dinosaur.
Spinosaurus.
Bones are removable. He calls this one Bonehead.
Pachysaurus. Does Brachiosaurus have a one neck?
Arlo from the Good Dinosaur.
A Triceratops.
A crocodile and another dinosaur.
Yep, a Spinosaurus. That's the scary Triceratops.
He just has some random giraffes and pieces that came together, like, I don't know, like maybe 100 or more pieces together. A gorilla, another dinosaur, some shards of shells in here from the dinosaur hatching, pterodactyl, a bug, some random tree parts.
Pumpkin.
Who's this?
Lemon.
Lemon?
Yeah. From Sophia First.
Show me Lammy.
from the Stuffings.
Stuffy the Dragon from Doc McStuffins. Arlo from The Good Dinosaur. Lady and the Tramp. Bulldog, stuffed animal.
8.
Stuffed animal Toto. Raven from Teen Titans. Donald Duck. Mickey Mouse. Butch. Minnie Mouse. My Little Pony.
You have a horn. That's a horn.
She has a knight. And the horses, they you can race them. A few horses.
No.
My Little Pony.
No.
Minimus. And the bag to go to the My Generation horse.